Okay, so to continue with the theme of starting a project with a piece of equipment, the piece of equipment breaks, then your second project is to fix said piece of equipment before going back to the original project. That's why I'm back here behind the tractor today. I was starting to bush hog the orchard, and the bush hog started making some weird noises, and it was just kind of slowing down. You know, you do this a lot, and you kind of just you get into a rhythm of mowing the grass with a bush hog. Well, then it starts sound different. So something's going on. What I was thinking was something's up with the PTO on the tractor. It's just not getting the power. But on the dash of the tractor, it still had the RPMs was high for the PTO was high. I was like, well, maybe the indicator light was wrong or something. But when I got off the tractor, you could see the PTO shaft was still spinning, but the bush hog itself, hey Casey, was not spinning. Well, it was spinning, but not to the same speed. So I was like, well, maybe I broke a shear pin or something. So I went and did some investigation, and that's what it was. So today I'm going to be replacing the shear pin with the new bolt that I got, and so I'm going to take you in on it. And so let's get started. All right, so I've got a model SQ600 Bush Hog, and right here is where the output shaft from the PTO is going to meet the gearbox for the Bush Hog itself. And on the bottom here, where it's kind of a lobe, there's a hole there, and it should be a bolt, but there's nothing there. So you can see how this shaft from the tractor just spins, but it's not going to really spin anything on the Bush Hog itself. So it was doing a little bit of spinning because just the friction between these two, and that's what was kind of throwing me off a little bit. But yeah, it's missing the shear pin, so I'm gonna get that installed. All right, so I've got a new bolt here. This is actually a metric bolt. It's a class 8.8. It's an M8 1.25, 45 millimeters long, and it fits in here pretty good. And I think you know you want to get the right bolt. I mean, you can get an actual shear pin, you can order one, but from what I have seen online, and you know, trust it or not, that this is a similar shear rating. I think it's similar to like a class, like it's less of a grade than a class or those grade 5 bolts you'd see from the hardware store. So it's a weaker than that. And I have a like a nylon lock nut on it that would, on the other side, that was just going to keep it you know, secured so it doesn't you know, fall off or anything. So that's what we got there. We'll finish. It's not quite tight yet. All right. There we go. All right, so there you go. Really quick project today, but I wanted to show you guys that shear pin. I did a little bit of searching online, didn't find a whole lot of information for this particular bush hog, but the SQ600 Bush Hog, you use an M8 125 and 45 millimeter long bolt, and that'll get you fixed up. So now that I got this project done, I'll get back to mowing the orchard. But we'll save that for tomorrow when the sun's back out. So anyway, appreciate you sticking around for this quick video, and thanks for watching.